Justin. No. No. Next stop. Yeah.
My hair, you
I didn't mean that. I stopped. I didn't mean that. It ain't wet. It ain't wet. Come on, you know you want to do it. Just go out, run around the block. Come on.
If I have my bathing suit on, yeah.
I like that better than your bathing suit.
I don't like the hot water. Like.
Got it.
Fucking asshole. Doing it like water now. Go back over there. Lay off my hair.
Gotta stay there. Just let me soak you. That's all I want. Like this. Come on over here so you can get here. She can see it right here. Just come over here. I just want to soak you down. Just wet you down. I won't get your hair down. But you gotta come on over here. Trust me.
Your dog's crying.
It's what?
Your dog's crying.
Oh, it's okay. It gets warm after a while. I mean, it doesn't warm. It's not even used to it. Right? Come in here.
Oh, fuckers. Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. See, she has got some boobs. Look up that cigarette. That's pretty good. Where'd you put it?
Up my ass.
Red. You put it up your ass.
I want to get my hair wet, but I don't look shitty. No, I didn't really mean it.
Yeah, you do.
No, come on, Sonny. All right, I'll get my hair wet. Let me get all this in there. Look at it, wet already.
See, that's why I love these pencils. I got all this. I got this pencils. Beautiful.
Oh, look at my hair.
Your hair was beautiful like that. You should keep it wet. It's a nice spray.
Keep it on light.
I am. She's under. Oh, nice job. Bend over, all the way. Come on, bend over.
Wait, I'll do
Butt shot.
it. Wet me.
You're sick.
Bend over. Show a nipple to the camera. Just show a nipple to the
Get out of here. How much?
camera. Your sister's seen you before.
Right, Marie? No, Marie never saw me.
Yes, I have.
Oh, she has.
That's what she has.
All right, wait.
Show your boobs.
What?
Show your boobs.
I see my boobs ring.
Go. Oh, you sick pig. You're nasty.
See how big your nipples are?
Yeah, but see, they say the bigger they are, the smaller they are. The smaller they are, the bigger they are.
Smaller? Is that the way it goes?
Yes.
She has some big nipples then.
She has some small tits too.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That's why you got big nipples, huh? That's okay. I kind of like that, actually. I started waking up a little bit. Pull down them shorts, I wake up a lot. Check her out! Check her out! God damn.
No.
No, you gotta get the front too. I mean.
You gotta get the front. You gotta show some push. Come on, bring it down.
Ah, sick.
No, you gotta bring it all the way down to the knees. Bring it down.
Marie, I hate you here.
Bring it down to the knees. Bring it down to the knees.
No.
Bring it down to the knees. Bring it down to the knees.
This is sick. Now,
Bring it down to the knees.
make sure you put this on your. Don't let your parents see this, okay?
What'd you say?
Make sure your parents see this.
I said don't see this.
Oh, don't see this. Okay. Come on, bring it down to
No,
your
Marie, I
knees.
don't think you showed the parents.
Yeah, bring it down to your
I
knees.
hope not.
All right, I'll get over there.
Then bring them down to your knees.
Put it on light.
It's on light. Yeah, nice and light. Bring it down over
I
here.
swear to God, I'm gonna get sick after this.
No, you're not. It's hot. It's not
I always-
cold day. What? You sick every take a shower? That's how you do
I'm
it.
outside. All right.
Come over, sweetie.
Wait, there's people there. And I am so fucking my hair. Ready, Marie?
All the way. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Turn around now. Give me a shot. All the way down. All the way down.
Oh, sick.
One more. One
No.
more. I'm waking up. One more. One more.
All right, I'm done.
One more.
No.
One more. One more. Walk backwards, though. Walk backwards all the way in.
Nah.
Yeah.
Light, all right, light.
Light. There you go. All the way down. Around your
You're
ankles,
horrible.
around.
This is bad. This is bad. I can't believe Lighter.
You sound like a sex fiend. Lighter, lighter, no, harder.
This is good, I can tell.
Not my face. My makeup's gonna fucking...
You got makeup on?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice and light. Nice and light. All the way down. No, I want him hanging on.
Ready, Marie?
Hurry up. All the way down. I want him hanging on your ankle. Hanging on your ankle and do some spins real fast.
No, they ain't hanging on my ankle.
Alright, all the way down then. All the way. There you go. There she is. There she is. There she is.
Oh, what a thing. Hey, she got a tail on her ass, too.
I know.
No more.
You did good. You did good. I'm up. I'm definitely up. But I'm not good. I'm up. Fucking up. So what are you doing, huh? You must go something and check the other room.
My claws are over there.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's right. I didn't get them wet. I see them. Let's go.
All right. Can't take them off now to wring them out.
See, that felt good. Check it out. She got that little air thing right there. Check out fucking. She's going. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Fucking 10 minutes. Holy shit, that's pretty good. Pretty good.
Watching Chris Goodress now. How cute.
I see my boobs again, Marie?
Oh,
one more time.
Oh,
look at them chunky nipples.
Nasty.
Chunky monkey. Damn, what'd you do with that cigarette?
Oh, you have a pick in your purse, right?
Yeah.
Where's your lucky cigarette? You smoked your lucky cigarette?
Legs are wet.
Your legs are wet.
Shake that body, Chris. You're sick. Do the hula dance. Oh.
You gotta lay it.
Yeah, my pocket.
Lipstick, Zippo. Nice shot. Can't believe she showed the boobs. Left, right. Chris, you're gonna get mad if I'm going too deep. I just want to lay it. I'm being nice. I'm not playing pocket pool with her. All you want is light.
Don't.
Don't play with Marie's neck. You'll end up in bed with her.
What is it? You want to stroke her neck like that?
Chris? Chris? You.
Does she like?
Chris?
Does she like when somebody kisses on your neck?
You get away.
When somebody kisses
Get
on your
away.
neck?
Get out, Chris.
Really? You like when somebody nibbles on your neck and just tastes your neck? You like that?
Oh, you fucker.
You like that? Just go up there and go back to your ear and lick you all the way
Chris?
down.
Chris, get away. Get away.
You like that?
Get away.
Where's your lighter at?
In the pocket
Come on, I
somewhere.
want to fucking turn on. Let's go. Come on. Just a quickie. Just a quickie. Come on. Where's your lighter at? Oh, how you doing? Hi. How you doing?
Come on, I need your pick.
No.
Where's your lighter at? Is it in your panties? I gotta get them in her panties. They're in her panties. No, I've been checking. Are they in there? Check it out. I like her underwear. Fruit of the Loom. I won't pull them down. I'll be respectful. That's nice underwear.
Here's the.
Big down on night. She don't want she had on the other day.
Once you have on, I can't get that on the light. Where's your good lady? Where's your good lady? Where's her nipples? God damn. You're right, man. Check her out. How you doing?